One of the late President Robert Mugabe's key lieutenants in election violence campaigns, retired Brigadier General Victor Rungani, has died. Sandapenda mashuko budanyu vachinzi aiwa piri gori waenda vakomana vethe regime vanokwa kunzi vaishungurudza vanhu aiwapa vachiintimidaita mavoters long back nana 2008. Notable subscribe hola ikota on the bell kuti pira panapa vanomobudanyu kwamuchinzi Rungani, who hailed from Bikita in Masvingo province, was part of the Joint Operations Command here OC, the shadowy military cabal that orchestrated ZANU-PF's bloody-stained electoral victories during Mugabe's rule. During the contested 2008 June presidential runoff elections, Rungani was named by the local online news network Zim Online as playing a central role in coordinating violence in Mashonaland East, contributing to the brutal suppression of the opposition MDC. His assignment was part of a wider military strategy deployed across the country. He operated alongside a cast of senior military commanders who turned Zimbabwe's rural landscape into a theater of terror. This included Major General Engelbert Rugeche in Masvingo, Brigadier General David Sikauke in Mashonaland West, Brigadier General Douglas Nikayaramba in Manicaland, Air Vice Marshal Abu Basutu in Matabeleland South, Air Vice Marshal Henry Muchena, who led operations from Harare, Brigadier General Zibusiso Moyo in the Midlands, Brigadier General Simbagumuzi Kumalo in Matabeleland North, Brigadier General Etherton Shungu in Mashonaland Central, Colonel Chris Banda in Bulawayo. Tomashikwana mudanyu panapa aiwa evamwe vaishandidzana navo vaintimidita mavoters vaikonzeresa suppression violence ku the opposition MDC. Tudze mafunguro enyu muti kudie pamusoro aiwa pekurova pasi kwaita aiwa tudze mafunguro enyu vanhu vanoyaitaura mashoko asiyana-siyana vachiti aiwa chisingaperi chinoshura nguva yavo iri kutoenda, so vanguvo vari kutevera. Pera comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like and short on the bell icon.